Hi everyone, today lecture we are going to discuss IGNOU TE December 2020 CHE5 Organic Chemistry. This is question number 4F. How will you convert the following? 2-chlorobutane to 2-methylbutanic acid. Let's get to understand it. The structure of 2-chlorobutane, that is the structure of 2-chlorobutane when 2-chlorobutane react with NaCN, it can be converted into 2 cyanobutanes. This 2 cyanobutane which on acid hydrolysis is 2 cyanobutane, then acid hydrolysis yield 2-methylbutanic acid. These are 2-methylbutanic acid. The 2-methylbutanic acid. We also write the structure like this. The structure of 2-methylbutanic acid. Let's move on to the next questions. 1-bromobutane to pentanoic acid. The structure of 1-bromobutane, that is the structure of 1-bromobutane this is a alkali halide when alkali halide is treated with metallic alloy to form organometallic compound. From a Grignard reagent, that is this is our Grignard reagent. A Grignard reagent is generally prepared by the reaction between magnesium and alkali halides in dry ether aphrodite solvent such as alcoholic ether. Let's move on to the next step. This Grignard reagent CO2 forms MgPr. This compound is hydrolysis H2O. It forms a carboxylic acid, that is this is our pentanoic acid. This is how the 1-bromobutane is changed into pentanoic acid. The another method, that is when 1-bromobutane react with NaCN, it forms cyanobutane. When this cyanobutane acid hydrolysis, it yields carboxylic acid. This is our pentanoic acid. This is our pentanoic acid. This is all about how we convert the bromobutane to pentanoic acid. Let's move on to the next question. This is question number G. Write all the stereoisomers of 2,3-dibromobutane and classify them as enantiomers and diastereomers. Before discussing these questions, let's have a look. This is the structure of 2,3-dibromobutane. Let's draw all possible stereoisomers of 2,3-dibromobutanes. There are 4 possible structures of stereoisomers. The first one, this is the first structure. Second one is the next possible structure. The last one is, this is our CH3. This is a 4 possible structure of stereoisomers of 2,3-dibromobutanes. Not superimposable mirror image isomers are called enantiomers. And not enantiomer compound are called diastereomers. Let's I tell you what to do this. This is our enantiomers. And this is our also enantiomers. There are 2 possible enantiomers are formed, the stereoisomers of 2,3-dibromobutanes. But in diastereomers, other hand, Diastereomers are from 4 diastereomers. This is our 1 stereomers. This is our second diastereomers. This is our third diastereomers. And this is our fourth diastereomers. This is all about the stereoisomers of 2,3-dibromobutane and its enantiomers and diastereomers. Today's lecture will finish all questions related to IGNOU-TE December 2020. I hope it was clear to you. If any query, please ask in the comment sections. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much.